Recycling your clay is very easy. Collect all your scraps from trimming, your slop bucket from throwing, hand building scraps, and things that you've made that sadly didn't work out, and keep them in a big bucket. With larger scrap pieces, put them in a bag, and then using a rock or a hammer, crush them up into smaller scrap before adding this to your bucket. When the bucket is full, either hand mix and squish all the lumps up by hand, or use a drill with a paint mixer on the end to mix it all up. I then pour it into a big plaster bath. This was a mould at a community studio that I used to go to. The plaster helps reduce the moisture content in the clay. Instead of the plaster bath, you could easily make plaster slabs by pouring plaster into a large plastic tub. After a few days, it is ready to cut into slabs and put it onto cement sheeting so that it can dry out some more. Over the course of a day, I will turn these slabs onto differing sides to dry some more. Eventually, some will be ready for wedging and some I'll compress a bit and then dry some more. I might need to do this the next day as well, depending on the weather. I then store it in plastic tubs until I'm ready to use it, and of course then I'll wedge it again. I have another video of recycling your clay on a smaller scale where you just use a piece of cement sheeting. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.